Hello, Year 1. This week the weather is rain, and I've got two rhymes to share with you. Here's the first one. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Here's the second rhyme. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Let's have a look at one of the rhymes, this time with the gaps, and we're going to find the rhyming words. Rain, rain, go away. Come again, another. What? Rain, rain, go away. Come again, another. Play or day? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Away, day, they rhyme. All the children want to play or dance. Play. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go. Street or away? Let's see. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go. Street. Play. Street. Do they rhyme? No, they don't rhyme. Rain, rain, go away. Play. Away. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Let's try from the start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. All of the words in this rhyme at the end here sound the same. Shall we listen? Away, day, play, away. They all rhyme. Well done, everyone.